Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the option which is called the system. Then we have to localize date and time. And as you can see, here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic date, time and the time zone, which are provided by the network. So, first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers which are turned on here to be able to manually change date, time and the time zone. So let's begin with the date. Just tap on it, and here we've got this calendar from which we can choose the date from. Just find the day, tap on it, it will be marked, and you can change the year just by tapping on it. It's completely up to you. And tap on OK to confirm. As you can see, your device will immediately apply it. The same situation with the time. After tapping on it, you will be transferred to this clock option and you can pick the specific hour. So for example, here 4 a.m. it's 4:45. Tap on OK. The time zone, just tap on the time zone, choose region, and here we can choose from the available list of regions. So just find yours and then tap on it. It will be immediately applied, and of course beware because the time will be affected by the time zone. Here the time format, so basically we can use either the 24-hour format, which is currently applied, or 12-hour format. As you can see, it's at 3 o'clock instead of 15 o'clock. And unfortunately we cannot change the date format, so we can only display it and we've got the day, then the month and a year. We cannot really reorder that. All we can do is to change the time format. Alright, so this is the manual customization of date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here, so your device will use the automatic date, time and the time zone. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.